July 8, Thursday afternoon on the Italian province of Milan hit a heavy storm with rain and hail. Hail and strong gusts of wind, in particular, hit the southern regions, from Navigli to Rossano. In particular, in Rossano, the hail broke the windows of cars and damaged many trees. At the Fiordaliso shopping center, hail even broke through the roof. Fire brigades are working to eliminate the consequences of the disaster. At the moment, there is no information on injuries among the population. According to forecasters, heavy rains with hail and gusts of wind will last until the evening.